Amelia Mignonette Grimaldi Thermopolis Rinaldo, also known as Mia Thermopolis, is a fictional character and the protagonist of the Princess Diaries novels by Meg Cabot. The story revolves around her diary, which she writes in religiously, and her relationships with her best friend Lily Moscovitz, her longtime boyfriend and the love of her life Michael Moscovitz, her grandmother, and others. She is the heir to the throne of the fictional country, the Principality of Genovia, having been pushed into the title. In the books Mia lives in a loft in New York City with her mother, Helen Thermopolis, and her ginger cat, Fat Louie. Helen begins dating Mia's algebra teacher, Frank Janey, during Mia's freshman year, and as the series develops Helen and Frank get married and have a child together. During the year she attends Albert Einstein High School, and spends her holidays at the Royal Palace in Genovia. Background family. Helen Thermopolis Mia's mother Helen is an upbeat artist who is featured various times in Art in America magazine. Helen's painting Woman Waiting for Price Check at the Grand Union won her a national award. Helen comes from a fairly simple, typical American background, growing up on a farm in Indiana. Some of Mia's headstrong and modern opinions, including her feminism, come from Helen, who is known to go on protest marches for various causes. Helen met Mia's father during a party in college, after which he conceived Mia after a condom broke. She is a very caring mother, albeit forgetful, to both Mia and her half-brother, Rocky, who is the son of Helen and Frank Giannani, Mia's algebra teacher and Helen's husband. Clarice Rinaldo, Dowager Princess of Genovia / Grandma Ree Clarice, referred to as Grandma Ree by Mia, is constantly portrayed as an elegant and picky woman, seemingly caring nothing more than superficial looks, fashion, and making connections with the rich and influential people of the world. Clarice is somewhat old-fashioned in her ways of speech, quite insensitive to others' troubles, and very proud and possessive of her royal stature. Mia often writes that she hates Clarice throughout the series, and Clarice too, is often quite harsh on Mia and often intentionally omits Mia's mother's surname. Eventually, they do develop a close grandmother-granddaughter relationship, with Clarice giving Mia key advices at various points and supporting her by conspiring with Mia's friend, Lily. She is a key person in Mia's royal education, leading princess lessons after school for Mia throughout the series. During her mostly stays in New York, Clarice stays at the Plaza Hotel Suite, although she does stay in various other locations, such as Mia and Helen's loft during a citywide demonstration by hotel workers, as well as Four Seasons. Clarice is very fond of her miniature poodle, Rommel, who accompanies her all the time, although Rommel has an obsessive-compulsive disorder of licking his fur out that makes him look like a giant rat. She's a native French speaker, and lives in Mirignac Castle in southern France, surrounded by European socialites. Her main competition is Contessa Elena Trevani. She has tattooed eyeliner, and also picks her eyebrows out every morning, and draws them on again, giving her a very surprised look when she does not. Arthur Christophe Philippe Gerard Grimaldi Rinaldi Arthur Christophe Philippe Gerard Grimaldi Rinaldo, or Philippe Rinaldo for short, is Mia's father and the sovereign prince of Genovia. In the book series, he is alive, and lives mostly in the plaza with his mother, Clarice. He had testicular cancer in the first book, which rendered him infertile, leaving Mia, an illegitimate daughter, the sole heir to the throne of Genovia. Mia describes him as incapable of committing to a romantic relationship, as he still has many girlfriends, most of whom are Victoria's Secret models. However, he admits to Mia that his only true love has always been Helen Thermopolis, who is Mia's mother. He is very protective and supportive of Mia. Education. Albert Einstein High School is headed by Principal Gupta. The school makes various attempts to celebrate and encourage diversity, including the Cultural Diversity Dance in October and a non-denominational winter dance. The school has a very complete core curriculum and prides itself in its gifted students. Mia is often sarcastic towards her placement in the gifted and talented class, claiming she was put there to improve her lowly grade in algebra. The teacher in charge of G&T is Mrs. Hill, who spends class time in the teacher's lounge across the hall. The mascot of AHS is the lion. At the end of the novel series, Mia completes high school and expresses her intent to move on to Sarah Lawrence College. In the final book, Forever Princess, Mia receives an editor's offer for the book Ransom My Heart she has written, thus expects to become a published author and begin what she believes is her true career, and she went to Sarah Lawrence. Mia in the films. Mia was portrayed in the films by Anne Hathaway, in what would prove to be her breakthrough role. In the films, her father was the crown prince but was killed in an accident, meaning Mia was the only heir to the throne left. This differs from the books. Her father is alive throughout the series, but became sterile after having testicular cancer, leaving Mia as the only heir to the throne. Prior to his death in the film, Arthur leaves a note for Mia to read when she turns 16. In the second film, Mia and Michael ended their relationship and she eventually finds a new love interest in Nicholas Devereaux. Titles, Styles and Honors, aged 0 to 15, Miss Amelia Thermopolis, in Genovia, Her Royal Highness Princess Amelia of Genovia. Age 15 to 21, Her Royal Highness the Crown Princess of Genovia, age 21 later, Her Majesty the Queen of Genovia. Flings and romantic relationships. External links, the official website for Mia Thermopolis, the Princess Diaries page on Meg Cabot's website.